When we have this better information, it leads to having happier, healthier people, having a more just society. And if we have more clarity about how the world works, the lives of all people will ultimately become better. I'm Hadi Faribozi. I'm an assistant professor in innovation and entrepreneurship here at Mount Royal University. My research is about cumulative science, basically putting together all the pieces of evidence that former researchers have found and describe what we know about big questions. Like, for example, if we want to make a decision about how to reduce anxiety in our society, we need to have a clearer idea of what actually helps lower the level of anxiety that people have. But because the amount of this knowledge is exploding exponentially, the goal of this cumulative science is to put them together to provide a clearer answer as to when this effect is more effective, what contingencies does it have, in what locations, in what areas. And this really helps in making better decisions. Part of my work is to work on the tools and on the methods to now handle not 100 studies, but thousands of them. How can we do that? How can we use AI to actually help us in this process of putting these pieces of puzzle together? So it's, instead of working on a 120-piece puzzle, you're working on a 2,000-piece puzzle. The tool that I have co-founded and built is called HubMeta. It's built for, cumulative science, and, more than 5,000 people, 5,000 scientists in the world are actually using it right now for their own topics. And it gives me a lot of joy to see that a whole lot of cumulative science are built in, using the tool that I have, been part of building it.